just want to make a quick video real quick, show you what I did. I got tired of the old reaching under the dash and all that stuff, so I'll put a switch underneath that disconnects it. It's hidden, but I took the ladder thing out and had a bunch of these pieces. They're kind of fit out, but it fit perfectly in there. The ignition switch was just a little too big, or I mean too small, so it slid right through, but I put that a perfect fit. I mean, it was made for it. It had to have been. Anyway, put the ignition switch right there, kind of James Bond style. Put it right there. Everything worked. Steering wheel works. Turn it on. Even the locks it up, and then nothing. Cool. What do you think?